Good morning, my Libra friends. How are you? I hope you had a wonderful weekend and you are ready for the beautiful, wonderful week of April 28th through May 4th. This is general reading. Take the resonate and leave the rest. Let's find out about the Libra message. First, started with the Libra affirmation. I release all that no longer benefits me. Items, ideas, habits, and relationships. I make way for the new in my life. I love this formation. I love this, it's Libra. I release all that no longer benefits me. Items, idea, habits, and relationships. I make way for the new in my life. What a positive affirmation. What a positive change. What a positive, is putting the negative thing, releasing the negative habit, negative relationship, negative, poison relationship, and making the way to find a new relationship, find a new opportunity for yourself, and having balance in your life. Harmony. Libra is all about the harmony, all about the balance, all about, is peace. Libra is when you have a balance in your life, that you have a peace in your life. Let's find out about what is the oracle message. Message for Libra. First light, beginning a new cycle. Starting new cycle. First light. Great adventure. Take the risk and go forward. Finding century. Opening your spiritual source. Opening your heart, opening your spiritual source to go forward, to find the light, to find this new century, to find this new cycle, beginning the new cycle, whatever it is, and moving to the cycle is going to new adventure, fresh new adventure, fresh new life, fresh new movement. Wow, this is the opportunity. Let's find out about the tarot. What is the tarot? Is tarot message for Libra. Tarot message for Libra this week. This week, tarot message for Libra. Okay. The moon. Moving from the moon. I believe the April 27 was the new moon for tourists. New opportunity for tourists. And that is the Ace of Swords. Moving from the habit. Big opportunity. Ace, beginning of the project, beginning of something new. Queen of Pentacles. Two of Cups. Beautiful. The Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Lucky, lucky, lucky wheel. And the last one I wanted to know is 8 of Pentacles. Security. Security, working hard, making your dream happen, changing your experience. It's a beautiful week of the wheel is on your fortune. Lucky, lucky, lucky week of getting together, having the new union. Could be the relationship, could be the exchanging the gift. Don't give up. Don't give up on the people you love. If you love someone, if this love is the true love, if it's not the abuse relationship, don't give up. Making the going forward. The Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles is managing their house, managing this love, managing this opportunity to favor of your love, favor of your life. The wheel is the fresh start. Fresh start, you know, is on the ending the cycle. Whatever this is, the cycle is end. Could be sudden, unexpected change. Very positive change in your life. Some of you are travel or a new country. I feel like some of you are traveling. Some of you are moving to new house, new country, new position, new relationship. Six of Cups. Let's find out more. Okay. Elephant. Elephant. Be wise. Elephant. Virgo. Virgo energy. Three of Cups. Star. The Knight of Pentacles. Making plan. Knight always make the plan to move forward. Knight always, you know, is use your wisdom, use your some of you, I feel they try to find their spiritual side, you know, is opening the yoga classes, taking some yoga courses, taking something, you know, is more spiritual. Some of you, I feel like, you know, is getting social. Three of Cups, moving to opening your dream opportunity, is working with the other people. There is the opportunity. opportunity of moving forward, opportunity of getting together, you know, is some of you are in moving. The moon. The moon is, moon star, you know, is moving from this moon, starting new life, seeing the light side of the moon. Moon has a dark side, light side. Look at the dark side and moving forward from this to see the world, to see the opportunity, to see the Six of Swords, going for the new opportunity, new job, new, putting the past behind. I feel like some of you, they don't want to stay on the past. Some of you are very bored for the past life, and this past life is too much. This past life is 10 of Wands, is too much responsibility, too much, you know, is on your shoulder. Too much, you know, is burning you. You wanted to put this bandage down and be free and going for new life, going for the opportunity of freedom, opportunity of temperance, change, balance, temperance, Sag energy. Sag always wants to have a balance in your life, always wants to have this new life. This is the opportunity for you, you know, is Libra, opportunity moving forward. Move from the moon, move from this emotion, whatever is the emotion, whatever is illusion, whatever this fear, whatever is an Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands is communication. Eight of Wands is fast movement for having the new opportunity for yourself, getting balance, fast movement. Be active, Libra. Be active and let's find out about the message for angel. What Libra needs to know. Libra needs to know. Trust. Angel wants you trust yourself. When you trust in yourself and you believe in yourself, you can move the mountain. You can change the iron to gold. When you're trusting, when you believe in yourself, when you have this belief, you have this confidence. When you have this confidence that everything is getting easy for you, everything is you can solve all the problem. You don't need to worry about this big, because you have the confidence, and confidence is willing to take the action, moving from the comfort zone, moving from the some situation they don't have any benefit for you. I hope this reading, Libra, had some benefit for you and you like the reading. If it was, please considering liking, subscribing and sharing this information with someone they might need this kind of information. I like you, love you, love yourself as you love others. Be healthy, be happy, be kind. Until next reading. Bye-bye.